Welcome to this Metricom Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the gritty, physical reality behind the cloud.
We think the digital economy is clean and invisible, but the reality? It's all land, power, and cooling.
A data center isn't just some server room. It's a massive modern factory demanding heavy industrial infrastructure.
And man, these factories are hungry. In 2024, data centers consumed a staggering 415 terawatt-hours globally.
To put that in perspective, that's roughly 1.5% of total global electricity use.
So, let's dive into our Metricom playbook, starting with how we can actually improve site energy efficiency.
The crucial first step, tracking baseline metrics. You've got to measure things like power usage effectiveness and cooling.
Next, make practical physical tweaks. Implement hot aisle containment, fix that cable management, and literally unplug unused servers.
You see, optimizing existing power comes first. Sometimes the best megawatt is the one you don't even need.
Okay, our next focus area in the playbook is managing critical water dependencies and backup risks.
Look, cooling strategies aren't copy-paste. You have to assess water-intensive cooling locally so you don't stress scarce regions. Notice how specific environmental risks, like water scarcity or battery fires, map directly to physical operational controls.
Treat backup systems as managed risks. Inspect fuel storage, assess battery fire risks, and run those incident drills.
These systems can't remain invisible. You need continuous preventative maintenance, fire detection, and strict regulatory compliance checks.
So what's the big takeaway here? Managing these digital factories is ultimately a business continuity issue.
Poor sustainability management creates severe risks. We're talking higher energy costs, grid connection delays, and major reputational hits. Ultimately, before building or expanding, you've got to ask yourself, can this site operate responsibly for the next 20 years?